Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add comments to your HTML website. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the text editor which is Sublime Text. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application Sublime Text. Open this up. And that should then open up the previous tutorial's work. If not, go to File, Open, go to your destination, open up the index.htm file, and then come back to the tutorial to then start adding the HTML comment tags. Go within body and type in !, double dash again, greater than. Within this, we need the comment which can say this is a heading. Go to a new line for a shortcut. Write something like this is a paragraph. And go to the start of the comment. Command/. That is the shortcut to add the comment, so you don't have to physically keep typing it in. Highlight, Command X to cut, go to a new line, paste this before this is a paragraph. And so the comment tags allow the programmer to organize all the code in such a way so when you come back maybe a week later, you can then follow the code. We know this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is more text. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, Documents, My YouTube Channel, YouTube Tutorials, HTML Tutorials, go to index.htm, right click, open with Safari. Minimize Finder for the moment, decrease the size of the web browser, likewise with Sublime Text. So we can then see both windows at the same time and work on them simultaneously. So we have the code on screen, left hand side, and the website on the right hand side. We do not see the comments because they are cancelled out. So we can quit Safari, quit Sublime Text. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.